The Supreme Court has issued notices to the center and 4 northern states over the recent floods and heavy rains, raising alarm about illegal tree felling in the hills. The court also said the crisis is serious. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the center and the state governments of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir over a petition concerning the devastating floods and heavy rains that have wreaked havoc in these regions. Expressing deep concern, the court highlighted that the situation appears extremely serious. Referring to videos that showed large numbers of timber logs being swept down by floodwaters in Himachal Pradesh, the bench pointed out that illegal felling of trees in the hills could be a major contributing factor. The top court also emphasized that such large-scale environmental damage cannot be ignored. Observing a balance ought to be struck between development and environment, a bench of Chief Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice K. Vinod Chandran also issued notices to the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the National Highway Authorities of India (NHAI). During the hearing, Chief Justice of India CJI B.R. Gavai remarked, "We have seen unprecedented landslides and floods in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. From the media reports it is noticed that in the flood a huge number of wood was flowing along. Prima facie it appears that there has been illegal felling of trees. Thus issue notice to respondents," the CJI said. The states have been asked to file their replies within 3 weeks. Highlighting reports from Himachal Pradesh, the CJI said, "Media reports have shown huge numbers of timber logs being washed down during the floods. This is a very serious matter." He added, "We are also seeing images from Punjab where entire villages and farmlands have been destroyed. A balance between development and environment is essential." The bench granted advocates Akash Vashishtha and Shubham Upadhyay, appearing for petitioner Anamika Rana, to serve the notice and the copy of the petition at the central agency. The CJI during the hearing asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was present in the court in connection with another case, to take note of the grim situation and ensure remedial steps. "Please take note of this. It appears to be a serious issue. A large number of wooden logs are seen to be falling around. It shows illegal felling of trees. We have seen pictures of Punjab. Entire fields and crops are inundated. Development has to be balanced with mitigating measures," the CJI said. Meanwhile, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta also voiced concern, stating, "We have interfered with nature so much that nature is giving back now. I will speak to the Secretary of the Environment Ministry today itself and he will speak to the Chief Secretaries of the states," the law officer said. "Such situations cannot be permitted," Mehta added. The Petitioners' Council said there are instances of people being trapped in tunnels and on the verge of near-death situations. The CJI said he noticed the seriousness of the issue and posted the matter after 2 weeks. The plea, filed through lawyer Akash Vashishtha, has sought framing of an action plan and in situ inquiry into the reasons of landslides and flash floods besides the measures to ensure that such disasters do not recur. The central and state governments, in spite of having dedicated disaster authorities, have no plan in place to prevent or mitigate the losses due to these disasters whose frequency has increased alarmingly of late, it said. It said the Ministries of Environment, Forests, and Climate Change and Jal Shakti have failed in their duty to protect the pristine ecology and the rivers of the Himalayan region from degradation. The petition is being filed bona fide in the larger public interest to ensure and to uphold the constitutional right to life, Article 21, and access to justice of the residents of these Himalayan states, it said. With inputs from PTI, also raid Delhi flood services at Yamuna Bank metro station severely affected. As flu.